Hello again. Now that we have the rest of our information on our map, we can get to um, texturing and coloring if that's what you want to do. So before we get to that, I wanted to do a quick lesson on blending modes. I'm not going to give too much detail on blending modes. I'm just going to give you a quick run through. This here is a free paper texture that I created that is included with the resources that I've provided for this course. You're free to use this. Um, Blending modes are basically, well, they blend, right? So you have all these options. If you click here, you can click on normal, and then with your down arrow key, you can kind of go through and kind of experiment. Each of the blending modes, they go through a mathematical calculation. They do different things. Um, this isn't necessarily a Photoshop course, and I'm not a Photoshop master who knows the specifics on everything, so I can't provide that information. But um, I do encourage you to kind of just play around with it and see what you come up with.